Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell when we're to review two deals. Yeah, we got some good deals here. Some toolboxes here outside. Now we're walking in and we got some Makita. So we got this deal, $149 for the impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries. Then we got the LXT batteries here. Guess they held them in the case so nobody steals them. But yeah, it's $179 for those 2 batteries. They're 6 amp hour. That is the kit down there for the that's $229 for that 2-tool combo kit. $59 for those batteries. Just the single batteries. And you got the vacuum there. Some more batteries here. $139 for a 3-pack, 3 amp hour batteries. So you're basically getting a 9 amp hour battery there. And we got some Husky deals here. Definitely a lot of Husky on the store. I had to cut some of it off because it was gonna be too long, but yeah, I just got the most important stuff. This is a nice toolbox, a little budget toolbox there for a little bit over $5. Really nice toolbox, well worth it. Even just to throw junk in there, you know. $19.97. That's a nice little set. 37 piece 3/8. Yeah, it's actually not a bad deal. It includes all the major bits there, the hex bits. $24.97, $49.97. That's a 111 piece. Then you got for $29.88. I guess it's on clearance. You got some more Makita over here. $3.99 for A2 combo kit with the 2 3 amp hour kit. Not a bad deal. $400 will get you just about any tool that you would need. It's a nice Makita stand there. I was just trying to get the picture for the thumbnail. $252 4-piece combo kit. Not a bad deal. Yeah, there's a lot of good deals. You just gotta watch out. If they're brushless or non-brushless, make sure you read the box. Also, you gotta watch out, see whatever you need, because if you don't need all those tools, there's a way you can save some money there. If you just need a drill or an impact driver, you just buy it by itself. They're about $99. Either go with DeWalt, a Makita, or Milwaukee. Milwaukee has some great deals right now, so stay tuned for that. The middle of this video. But yeah, all these, if you don't need the whole kit, just pick up one drill there. $12.97. You got some frame nailers. $29.98 for that job site backpack. $49.97. $99 for that kit. It's hard to see, I know. Had to put the camera all the way to the top. $14.88 for those lights. And that was a nice light. It just grabbed my eye when I was walking by there. But yeah, it's a nice light. $14.88. So some nice gloves. Make sure you keep your knuckles in one piece there. But yeah, those are some great gloves. And that is the ratchet that everybody's talking about. The only bad part about this ratchet is that you can't switch the battery. It's built into the ratchet, so you can only charge the thing. $5.91, $14.97 for those flashlights. $49. Good stocking stuffers for Christmas. Anvil. Got some more tools over here. Yeah, I'm trying to go as fast as I can because I don't want to make this video super long, an hour long. So we're just gonna try to go as fast as you can. If you need to rewind the video to look at a price, feel free to rewind the video or pause it, look at it slower or look at faster, however you want to do it. There's options actually on the screen of YouTube that you can choose. Oh, this is a nice white OV vacuum right there. It's a 3-gallon wet and dry vacuum for $99. If you get the combo kit, you can do $149 or the $229. That's a nice deal right there for a homeowner, for a home user. It's another deal there for $99. It's a 2-piece drill impact driver kit. I was just looking at the back. But yeah, definitely some great deals there. See, it'll get you 2 batteries, a charger, a drill, and an impact driver. I believe they are not brushless, they are brush tools. But still, you're getting the whole kit for, you know, under $100 basically.
Oh yeah.
It's not a bad deal. So basically, $50 a piece. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's brushless. Then you got some batteries, $79. So basically, $40 each. It's a 4 amp hour battery. I was looking at some reviews online. They said that the black batteries actually perform better in non plus one tools, brushless tools. So it just depends on your preference. $129 for that kit right there. It does include circular saw. Then you got some bits here, 1988. If you're a DIY homeowner, Joby bits are okay. I would definitely recommend DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita, even Bosch. Those are definitely much better, superior bits. Even with those Ryobi drills, you can still use these DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita bits. But these are definitely some great bits here. You just gotta watch out per piece. You know, that's a nice clamps right there. They're kind of like a lighter use. They're not really industrial grade. Then you got the nailer for $129. Find the nailer. They make some great nailers, by the way. 1988 for that 120 piece. Yeah, they got a lot of sales. And they got the flexible battery there. And then they got the 3-pack to the right. Yeah, so if you need some stock up with some batteries, definitely stop by at your Home Depot. Get these batteries. 45 piece. It's a nice little set there. Has a lot of torques. Yeah, definitely some great deals. The inflator, $99. That's one of the inflators from DeWalt. You got some Milwaukee deals, $199, $299. So $299 for that big kit, and $199 for the 3-tool combo kit. Not a bad deal. You got some glasses here. I actually wanted to get some glasses, but I ended up getting something else. So I'll probably get them next time. But yeah, those are some nice glasses. Anti-scratch, anti-fog. So that's a biggie right there. Not scratching them all the time. I like the ones I have from DeWalt. Actually pretty good. This is new exclusive safety glasses. It's having a hard time putting it back. So we got some batteries here, and then we got some more tools. So these are bare tools, by the way. That is the Surge. That is the new impact driver from Milwaukee. $9.97 for those gloves. We got a whole dozer, $39.87. Yeah, some of these prices are still the same. They haven't changed. Some of them dropped in a little bit. It's a nice flashlight right there. A couple flashlights. And then we got some more lights here. We got some Makita. Great deals, $14.97. $99. See how that one's $99? Even the impact driver to the right is $99. So you guys definitely got some choices. Either Makita, DeWalt, or Milwaukee. Milwaukee's right now is the cheapest. I believe it's $89 for a brush tool. Still, it does include a charger, a bag, and a battery, I guess. So you got the choice of gloves here. These are some nice ones. Especially like if you want to protect your hands with those knuckles, and if you're banging yourself, you know, around, you want to protect your hands, especially. And then you still got the buy one get one free deal from all the brands, from Ryobi, Rigid, Milwaukee, Makita. Ryobi did go down to $99. So if you're into the Ryobi platform, I will definitely get the 99 bucks deal battery and get the free tool. You can even do it online. You can get those batteries or any other tools down there. But yeah, definitely some great deals. I believe the tools come to like 50 bucks and those batteries come to like 50 bucks too. So a lot of people been returning them. I'm not really a fan of that, but you know, everybody's got their own choice. Everybody can do whatever they want. But yeah, if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that and get the tool for cheaper. But even like buying the whole kit, you're still getting a good, awesome deal there on those buy one get one free thing. And yeah, even Rigid lowered their price. If you guys see up there, it's $199. $199, and at the bottom you got $169. And I believe that, I don't know if this Home Depot doesn't have it, but I believe it's $149. So you would have to go online and see how much that is, because one of the Home Depots that I went to was $149. So you might want to check it out. Maybe if you're in the Rigid platform, I would definitely look into that. Makita and Milwaukee DeWalts are still the same. They haven't dropped the prices. Who knows, they might drop the prices. But these are some more premium brands, more professional, so they're going to be a little harder to drop down the price. You can wait, see if they drop down the price, but I don't think they're going to do anytime soon, unless they're like maybe next year or something. But yeah, those are the other tools you would get with the free item. Those bear tools. Same thing with this. Buy with that $199 kit, get one tool for free. So definitely some great tools there you can get. That is a pack out system. There are $279. You got some blades here, Advanti Diablo. You got some bits there. It's $29.87. If you get the 23 piece, it's still $29.87, so might as well get the 23 piece. That's the $10.97. 1988. Definitely the 1988. It's worth it. It's worth more. You get a lot more for your money. Got some clamps there. Some hex. And that's the new stand from DeWalt. Size meets color. So you got the atomic brand. Yeah, these are some nice. They're really nice. Feel really good. A lot of people don't like them. You know, me personally, I think they're okay. They're pretty good. But me personally, the XR is probably the best. That's what I think. And then you got some more bits there for $9.97. Definitely some great deals there. Like I said, Atomic, 99 bucks. You got your choice. DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, all those brands. So if you just need one drill, you can choose all those brands, any of those brands. 129. You got some Milwaukee here for 12 volts. $24.97 for that 50 piece. That's the 23 piece that I was telling you guys about. $29.97. It's the same price as the 15 piece. So might as well get that if it's the same price. They're out of it on this Home Depot. And that's what they have on sale. They have it for 89 bucks. So they dropped the price on these. So if you guys want these, make sure you drop in and get them, because they're gonna be out just like this store. They only have 2 left. And they got some more on this side, but they're already running out. And they're 89 bucks. That's a smoking deal. That's a better deal. I would say that's a better deal than the other two, because you're actually getting a tool, a battery, a charger, There you go. Half-inch drill and impact driver. 99 bucks each. Same thing with these. These are 99 bucks. They're a tool with the battery and the charger. Got some DeWalt's utility blades. Some more Husky stuff. Like I said, I'm trying to go as fast. If this is too fast for you, make sure you can rewind it, watch it slower, or if you want to watch it faster, you can watch it faster. I got some blades there, some tie downs, 1288. That's a nice little set there for $5.97. Definitely recommend that for you guys. It's a great little set there. Very inexpensive.
Hello? Can I get some help?
A 1x12 ratcheting tie down for a piece.
Toilet seat?
It's a little better tie down. And then you got some widgets. Definitely some nice vacuums. If you guys missed on the $40 deal that they had for some rigid vacuums on Black Friday, well, here's your chance. You can get that one for 15 bucks. Then you got those two filters there for 20 bucks, $39.97. Then you got some diamond blades. So it's your chance to stock up on stuff. $39.97. It's a nice clear case. We got some fuel for $4.99. So you can get that 4-tool combo kit with the pack out, $4.99. That is a good deal. Then you got the 5-tool combo kit for $3.99 without the pack out. Then with the DeWalt's, you got the $2.99 and the $1.99 2-tool. That's the 4-tool at the bottom. Well, we got some great deals there. That's with the tough system. 8-tool combo kit, $4.99. Definitely got some good deals. We got some blades there from Diablo. Some more tough system. I believe this is not the new one. I'm just trying to get these out, I guess. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.